It turns out the universe is a fractal of vortexes. If we color code the expected spin left behind by energy movement, we can see that on one side of a vortex in space, it spins one direction, and on the other side, it spins the other. It's not modeled in the simulator, but vortexes have an outflow that emerges from the center. It's the eye of a hurricane, or the black hole in the center of a galaxy. If we let our simulation run, we'll see that our loop of energy, aka vortex, will begin to form a bar, just like the bars in most spiral galaxies. While modern theories of galaxy formation struggle to recreate galaxy bars, they happen quite easily in the simulator. If one examines the intrinsic spin of these outflows, it's clear it forms a dipole. It's not hard to take it a step further and suggest that particles of dipoles emerge from this jetting action. If we take our theory that fermionic particles are vortexes, we can see that everything lines up. Vortexes have a small eye in the center, just like fermionic particles seem to have a small point. Vortexes affect the medium around it very broadly, while fermionic particles affect the fields around them very broadly as well. They both have spin, they both have a dipole, and they both cannot occupy the same space at the same time. Additionally, fermionic particles, such as the electron, repel each other. Vortexes of equal size and strength orbit each other. So magnets such as this one, or should I say a bunch of these, are all just many tiny vortexes with an aligned outflow. One going one direction, one going the other, one spinning one direction, one spinning the other. Because let's say they're all spinning this way, then that means this one's going to come out like this, and this side is going to come out like that. So then if you were to look at it from this point of view, you would see one going like this, and you'd see one going like that. So then if you flip it, you can see that clockwise and counterclockwise change. So when we talk about a magnetic force, there is no force. It's not a thing. It's more like you have these vortexes, and where they want to be gets skewed. And so when they pull each other together, it's really more about the vortexes wanting to make their way closer. We're actually in an open system. So if you think about like where the sun is and where the earth is, we're orbiting the center of the galaxy. There's a ton of stuff just flowing through. So when you talk about 0-point energy, that's kind of what you're referring to. So it's one way of thinking about it is like a river. You know, a river, you actually will see vortexes form in a river, and they can stick around for quite a while. So it's interesting to think that you have a very, very big universe, but only a small part of the universe at a very specific scale will magnetism work just like this.